friends. Ready to turn the corner? I'm Tina.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here today.
Leo, quick question. Someone asks you, "How are you?" What do you say?
Easy. I say, fine, thank you. And you. My English teacher taught me that.
Stop right there. That answer makes you sound like a tired robot at a phone shop.
Oh, no, really? But everyone in my class says it. Are we all robots?
Listen, friends. Today's pain point is real. Your brain freezes and out comes fine. Thank you.
So true. Last week, my new neighbor said hi. I said, fine, thank you, and she walked away fast.
See? You missed a chance to make a friend. Today, we fix that for good.
Yes, please, Tina. I want to sound warm, not like a machine.
We will learn 3 magic words for 3 moods. Great, not bad, and hang in there.
Great, not bad. Hang in there. 3 small words, big power. I like it already.
Okay, friends, time for our scene practice. Let's jump into real life and try these new words.
Yes, I love scene practice. It feels like a movie in my head.
Scene 1, the coffee shop. Leo, you walk in. Your friend Mia waves at you.
Hi, Mia. Fine, thank you. And you. Oh no, I did it again.
No worries. Today you feel happy and sunny. Try great instead.
Hi, Mia. I'm great, thanks. Wow, that feels so much better.
Perfect. Now add a small follow-up question. It shows you care.
Hi, Mia. I'm great. How's your morning going? This feels like real life now.
You are real, Leo.
Thank you, Tina. Sometimes I forget.
Scene 2, the office. It's Monday. You feel okay, but tired.
That's me every Monday. My coffee is cold and my hair is crazy.
Then say, not bad. It means I'm fine, life is normal, no big drama.
Hey, Tina, how are you? Not bad, just another Monday. Did I get it right?
Yes, bonus phrase, can't complain. It means things are okay.
Can't complain, but I love to complain about Mondays.
Funny. Can't complain means I won't complain because life is fine.
Uh-huh. So can't complain is like saying, my life is okay. I'm not crying today.
Exactly. You explained it better than me. Scene 3, the supermarket. You see your old friend Ben, and he looks tired.
Hey, Ben. How are you, buddy?
Ben is having a hard week. He says, hang in there.
Hang in there. That sounds like he is hanging from a tree.
Funny picture. But hang in there means I'm trying to stay strong. Things are tough.
Oh, so it's like saying I'm pushing through. Not great, but not broken.
Yes, and as a good friend, you should say something kind back.
Hang in there, Ben. I'll buy you ice cream. Coffee fixes everything.
Sweet and simple. That's how friends talk in English. Quick small talk break. Leo, share a funny moment from your week.
Oh, I tried to order coffee in English yesterday. The barista said, "How are you?"
And what did you say?
My brain froze. I said, "Fine, thank you. The weather is bad." She just stared at me.
Oh no, classic robot mode.
I know. Today I will go back and say, "I'm great. How's your day? Wish me luck."
You got this. Remember, English is not a test, it's a chat.
A chat, not a test. I will write that on my coffee cup.
Now a mini quiz. I say a feeling, you say the right phrase.
Bring it on, coach.
You won the lottery this morning.
I'm great. Best day ever.
Your boss gave you extra work, but it's payday.
Not bad. Can't complain.
Your dog ate your homework and your shoes.
Hang in there, Leo. Hang in there.
Wonderful. You're a star student today. Time to wrap up. Let's review our 3 magic phrases together.
Number 1, great for happy days. Number 2, not bad for normal days. Number 3, hang in there for tough days.
Beautiful, and don't forget the bonus, can't complain, for those chill, easy moments.
4 phrases, no more robot voice. My English just leveled up.
Now, Leo, your challenge. Make a short, funny story using all 4 phrases.
Okay, here we go. Monday, I felt great. I had pizza for breakfast. Tuesday, not bad. I lost my keys but found $10.
Keep going, this is gold.
Wednesday, can't complain. My cat sat on my laptop and sent emails for me. Thursday, hang in there. The boss read those emails. Help.
Hilarious! Friends, did you hear that? Real English, real fun, no robot voice.
So listeners, what's your real mood today? Drop your high EQ answer in the comments.
Yes, share with us. Are you feeling great, not bad, or just hanging in there?
I can't wait to read your stories. We learn together, friends.
Finally, don't forget our slogan, your daily dose of effortless English. See you next time. Bye.
Bye everyone. You're all great today.